Hi, my name is Jason with AlarmSystemStore.com. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a HeliTouch out of the box and taking a closer look at all its components. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It really helps us out when you do that. And we release a couple new videos every week, so there's a lot of good content for you to see as well. Alright, let's go to the table and we'll get started. Alright, so here's the HeliTouch from Resolution Products. So we can see on the box here, of course it's got the name of what you got right here, and a nice representation on the front of kind of what the keypad looks like. We also have a sticker up here that shows the model numbers. So this is the HeliTouch white with Wi-Fi radio card. So we have the RE657, which is the model number, the generic model number for the HeliTouch. The W indicates that it's white, and the R indicates that it comes with the Wi-Fi radio card. We have the MAC address right here, which may or may not be needed. And if we flip it over, we can see a little bit more detail about what's on the screen here. So time and date, panic buttons, entry, exit, delay, off, etc. And then at the bottom we have an overview, some of the basic features, intuitive layout, easily wall mounted or placed on table using the non-slip feet, as well as some features. So it's a 7-inch Android tablet display, so 7-inch across right here, clean modern appearance, etc. And also shows what it includes. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Right on top we see we have some instructions. So this first one is a very simple instruction sheet here for the RE926RX. So this is the Wi-Fi device link, this right here, that comes with this system. Now this is optional, so with this card you can do up to 4 of the keypads. So obviously you don't need this card with every keypad. And another thing to note before we go any further, and I forget to note it, this Wi-Fi card is only the device link for connecting HeliTouch keypads. So benefit of that is it's a self-contained network, very difficult for anyone to try to hack it, well beyond the capability of your average person that will be breaking into a house. So that's kind of the benefit of it. Downside of it is this does take up slot 2, which is used for your regular Wi-Fi card, which can use for communication to for your monitoring and for the SecureSmart. So at this point there's no way to do both Wi-Fi communications as well as HeliTouch keypads. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So you can see it's a dedicated wireless device connection, secure encrypted wireless communications, and a 5-year manufacturer warranty. So that's nice. This is the longest warranty that, or one of the longest warranties in the alarm market. Usually they're like a 2-year manufacturer warranty. So it gives a quick paragraph for how to install. Configuration is automatic, no other setup needed. So pretty simple. Got some nice illustrations how to connect everything. On the back it just has some technical specifications. Nothing that most people need to worry about there. And then we have the manual for the actual HeliTouch. So again, it goes over a lot of what was on the box. There's only a 2-year warranty for the HeliTouch itself, so it's a 5-year warranty on the card, 2-year warranty on the HeliTouch. Of course, those are manufacturer warranties. Gives you an overview of the installation steps, nice illustration how to table mount. Talks about signal strength, gives you some tips, wall mounting template, as well as the wall mounting steps. enrollment, troubleshooting, gives you that overview again of what you see on the screen, as well as some additional tips. So, and then of course the back has the specifications here, including the battery life. So, the battery life, this is kind of important, 4 hours. So if you lose power, your HeliTouch has a 4-hour battery of actual use. I'm sure if it goes into like a sleep mode, it probably lasts longer than 4 hours. But wireless range about 300 feet in open air. So clearly in a house you're going to get less than that, but should still be plenty to cover most houses, just like a regular Wi-Fi network. Screen resolution, screen size, that kind of thing. Alright, so here are the mounting feet with the non-slip pads. So those are pretty big pads, kind of nice. A lot of times on these we'll see like a just a couple rubber dots on it. So having the full feet there is pretty nice. And these feel pretty sturdy too, so I don't think you'll have any issues with those. Of course, here's the Wi-Fi module. Let's go ahead and open this up. And we can just kind of look at what it looks like here. So this is it. It's pretty simple. Nothing much to it, and connecting it to the actual Helix panel is pretty easy. So you can see here it's got these 4 standoffs as well as your connectors. So this is how it talks. If you line these 4 standoffs up with the connector, it's going to be lined up, and it just snaps into place. Pretty easy. I like how they did that, so everything's going to be contained within the actual Helix panel. You're not going to have a separate board for every little thing that you do, and it's super easy to install. Alright, so here's the HeliTouch itself. Take that out. Alright, so it is a 7-inch screen here, and it's just a tablet in a case. So nothing too fancy. It does kind of have a nice clean look, and the power cord is already routed through the back here. One nice thing I've noticed about this, if you look at it from this angle here, so if you imagine the walls right here, this power cord will run nicely into the back of the unit right here. A lot of things we see, they're kind of designed so the power cord has to run through the wall. Otherwise, the system's not going to lay flat against the wall. With this, it's kind of angled a little bit, and so you get a nice little indentation here where you can still run the power cord. And of course there are holes on the back, so if you did want to run the power cord through the back, you could definitely do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this case off and look a little closer here. So there's just 2 little tabs here, nothing too difficult, and then on the top it's kind of hooked in. There's 4 hooks, so it just slides in like that. Pretty simple. The tablet itself is still held in place by a little tab here and 2 tabs at the bottom. So if you do need to take this off to unplug it, plug it in, whatever, or for mounting purposes, obviously you'll need to take it off as well. So just pulls off right, you just undo that tab, pulls off. You can mount it pretty easily. Power cord does not come plugged in, so you will need to do that. Not a big deal there. Just a matter of plug it in on the side here. Just like that. It's plugged in. And then there is also a screen protector, so you can peel that screen protector off before you actually mount the device. As far as the feet go, we can see real quick. I'll just pull this out again. So there are slots on the back here, so feet just slide right in, and it will lock into place, just like that. So that's not going anywhere, and if you mount it, just set it on a table, it's at a pretty nice angle. So when you look down on it, you're not going to be at a weird angle. It's not like it's like that. Not going to be flat either. To take these feet off, pretty simple as well. You're just going to push this tab in, and it slides right back off. So again, it's pretty simple. Hooks at the top there, slides in, snaps into place, fits pretty snugly, and of course you do that for both feet. So let's kind of lay everything out here for you so you can see everything that it comes with. So we've got the case, power cord, keypad itself, 2 feet, Wi-Fi card, and then your instructions here. And so this is everything you need to get this set up, as long as you have the Helix panel, of course. Again, it's real easy to do. I've ran through the process of actually setting these up. It's incredibly simple, but we'll make a video on that as well. So there you have it. That's the HeliTouch. So that's the HeliTouch. Hopefully gave you a better idea about that keypad. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.